You know that's right.
What's up, YouTube land? It's your girl, ChinnaE, back to you once again, reporting to you live with another one. Okay, so I want to talk to you guys today about another transcription site, which is called Gotranscript. Okay, so it's free to join. It's just like Scribby. They pay more as far as if you want to do transcriptions, and they pay more in their affiliate program as well. Okay, so for affiliates, with this affiliate program, we recommend people to promote, basically, if you're an affiliate, their audio and video transcription service. They have had audio, but they have added video as well. So both Scribby and Gotranscript is the same. And I think Get Transcribed is out, and it's now Gotranscript. Okay, so one of them sites has been bought out into this one. Okay, so basically you're paid when somebody places an order and when the transcript gets delivered correctly to the person that handed out the file in the first place. Once they mark it correct and you get the grade, you get paid. Okay, so basically with this affiliate part here, you get 10% commission. Okay, so on Scribby it's 5%, this one 10. Okay, with both conjoined together, if you promote both, it's 15 for you. Okay, so basically this goes for any order. This goes for any and all orders, the same. You get a 10% off of every single order. Okay, basically the funds are credited to your PayPal account within one business day as well. You can invite as much people as you want. Basically, it's as an affiliate, you can get commissions when workers come to work and when clients come to put their files in and all of that. If they go through your link, you get that love. So you guys don't forget to go through my link. Show me love. I be showing y'all love, going through y'all links, getting y'all that little commission. So go ahead, hit my link up down below. It's for you. So yeah, they may have their clients also. They may have their clients break their audio files down into 3s, 5s, 7s. So on Scribby, it's just broken down to 6 minutes a piece. Like, that's it. On here, there are different video and audio files, and there's different pay. So the dollars are more here, definitely. And basically, let's see here. Oh, yes. Keep your scores up. Make sure that you are above 4.20 or 4.25. Make sure your average score is up. They keep score here as well. And they go by review as well. So you don't want to hand any bad transcriptions in because you won't be paid. They will tell you when you're messing up and you won't be paid. And that's the most important part of why you started in the first place. To be paid. Okay? So basically, I want to let you guys know, if you are thinking about doing any transcription work, go ahead and look on my back video where I put Transcribe Anywhere. If you want to learn some courses, if you want to just jump right in, this site has a style guide and guidelines that you should follow before you start. You should read them first. To speed up your job, you might need a foot pedal. You're going to have to download ExpressScribe, the software that helps you transcribe audio and video files. And you need the dictation. Dictation is basically, for some people who don't know, the dictation software basically kind of transcribes the audio or video file for you. But sometimes they're not all accurate in the words and what they give you. So you'll definitely have to put your ear to it to see what's exactly being said, and you have to make sure your grammar is up to par, because there are a lot of people who think they can do this and they cannot. Okay, which is nothing wrong. It's just not for you if you can't understand proper grammar and where to place your commas and ellipses and, you know, all that stuff. So if it's not for you, I have more in store. So don't worry about it. But yeah, to the people who are interested, go and jump right in on this Gotranscript. Follow the link below, you guys. And basically get started as a transcriber, as a affiliate marketer. And if you need some files that need to be put in there and you need people to transcribe them real quick, just so you can have something on file, go ahead and dump that in there and you will be taken care of. The prices are cheap. You don't have to worry about any scam. The site is very legit. I don't promote anything illegitimate. Everything I come to you with is a legitimate site where you can profit. So remember, if you haven't heard it from me, you haven't heard it. Okay, so it's your girl ChinnaE. Check me out. I'm all over these YouTube and internet streets, as you can see. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, and check me out. Stay tuned, guys. I got more in store all the time. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next vid.